Government has refused to pay a local company which supplied hardware and software for a biometric card-based platform to facilitate the administration of social welfare programs for the poor. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The matter has since spilled to the High Court, where DigiCard Zimbabwe is accusing the Public Service, Labor and Social Welfare Ministry of refusing to pay $1,610,364 for services rendered. The ministry had refused to pay for the services after accusing the company of doing shady work. The dispute was referred to the arbitration at the behest of the company before the late retired Judge Justice November Mishia, who found the ministry to have breached a written agreement by refusing to pay after it was invoiced $1,610,364 by the company. The arbitrator also held that the ministry's failure to pay caused the company to suffer damages through loss of profits anticipated from the project. The ministry was ordered to pay the company $17,783,863 in damages. The ministry, however, approached the High Court to challenge the ruling, arguing that it was in conflict with Zimbabwe's policies. This is today's news about the government refusing to pay suppliers. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.